All right, so we're out here on this estimate, and the gutter came down. I'm actually here for the roof estimate. Hanson's, and everybody knows I hate Hanson's. Did the roof.
I'm fighting them now.
You fighting? You gonna be fighting, and you gonna be fighting. I already know. That's why I don't like them. I don't like people taking advantage of
And
people.
then they try to say because I didn't pay.
You didn't
for
pay
my,
what?
what you call it? The permit, that they won't send a person out here to check things out.
You ain't supposed to pay for the permit. They supposed to pay for the permit. Yeah, so that's a whole nother. Anyway, what I was pointing out to her is, for one, when you screw these gutter clips in, you're supposed to mark where these are at so they're screwed into them. Because if your gutters have weight in them from not cleaning them, or from ice and water, which she was actually supposed to have gutter guards, that's a whole nother thing. But what I want to point out too is this stuff right here is Hidden Vent. And it's actually a very good product. The ideal behind it is you can't see it, right? Because it's hidden, but also it has this I-beam, right? And this I-beam is good for houses like that siding over there. Now you see this house over here, how it's wide?
Yeah.
You want to use the I-beam instead of the regular one because it'll sag.
Right.
If you use the other regular one, it'll sag.
Okay.
Well, here, your overhang is like an inch. You know, that's how small it is. So you didn't need the upgraded one, but they didn't even cut it in. That vent ain't gonna work if you ain't cut it in.
Okay.
Now it is in a garage, right? So technically it really doesn't matter. But if you're gonna put the vent up, have it functional, right?
Right.
And they didn't cut it in at all. You guys see? Did not cut it in. Here's a whole piece. They didn't cut one thing in. They put the hidden vent up, and that's what's called an outsider's trick, is put it up there because who's gonna look? So now watch, we go over on this side and be like, oh yeah, my house is venting, man. It's venting right now. See? Because you got the hidden vent, right? But no, it is not venting because the wood is not cut out. And that is problem solved tip of the day.